Hey, so if you want to manage emails and files in one workflow in 2026, integrating SharePoint with Outlook is actually a huge time saver. I'll show you how to set it up step by step. All right, first, open both SharePoint and Outlook in your browser or apps and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, go to your SharePoint site where your documents or team files are stored. Next, open the document library that you want to connect with Outlook. Click on Sync or Share depending on your setup to start connecting your files with Outlook services. Now, choose the option to open or share files via Outlook so you can send documents directly from SharePoint. In Outlook, when you attach a file, you can select SharePoint files directly instead of uploading from your computer. When you share a file, recipients can open it directly in SharePoint and collaborate in real time. Make sure syncing is enabled so changes in SharePoint automatically reflect in Outlook workflows. So that's how you can integrate SharePoint with Outlook in 2026. It makes file sharing and communication way smoother. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.